flowers, grow nearly every climate the world including desert and tundra areas. These plants are commonly classified according to their life cycles. Annual flowers are short-lived, while some perennial flowers last for years. In some cases, the classification of flowers depends on if they grow in a location with mild temperatures or a location that experiences a cold winter. A plant that is perennial in the warmest states may be grown as an annual in the rest of the country. Let's discuss. Annual flowers complete their entire life cycle, growing from seed to bloom to producing seed in a single growing season. Some annuals reseed themselves, while others have to be replanted each year. One popular variety of garden annual is the Marigold, also known as Tagetes hybrids, which produces brightly colored summer flowers on stems reaching 6 to 36 inches tall, depending on the variety. Impatiens, also known as Impatiens walleriana, is another common variety of garden annual, which creates a bushy mound of glossy green leaves and red, pink, white, orange or bicolor blossoms in the summer. Some of the other flower garden annuals are gloriosa daisies, black-eyed Susans, larkspur, petunias and zinnias. Biennial flowers include plants like foxglove, also known as digitalis spp. These plants need 2 years to complete their life cycles. In the first year, the plants typically produce small rosettes of leaves near the ground. The flowers only appear in the second year. Many biennials act as annuals when they are purchased as bedding plants, because the growth for the first year was done in the nursery greenhouse, and they are second-year plants. Perennials encompass a large group of plants that includes trees and shrubs. This type of flower continues to grow from one year to the next, during the colder months. The above-ground stems and blooms of many perennial flowers die back to the ground. These perennials grow back the next spring from the surviving underground roots. Some perennial flowers that grow well in the garden are Peruvian lilies, Michaelmas daisy and hardy garden mum. Many perennials do not flower the same year that they are planted by seed, but they flower for several years afterwards. Another type of perennial is the Evergreen Perennial. These are flowers that die back in the colder months, but their leaves grow year-round. This gives the garden color and texture. The low-growing evergreens work well as ground covers, protecting the soil. Both blue star flowers and neon star reach less than a foot tall and make visually appealing ground covers. Taller evergreen flowers include sunny dark Florence, African daisy and Garter fuchsia. They can be grown as annuals in colder climates.